I'm Craig. This is my YouTube channel, Fish On.
Hello, welcome to Fish On.
Welcome back to Fish On. I just want to let you know we're in the house today. Fishing season's coming up in the next few weeks, and I'm really excited about that. And I got some exciting news about some things, but I have some sad news right now. Unfortunately, you know what an external hard drive is? Well, you know, I had a load full of information on that, and we had a renovation going on here, and the electricians, I don't know what they were doing, but wiped out an external hard drive. 7 terabytes worth of data I had. And I want to do a video for you guys because it frustrates me, because now my hard drive is in a shop and it could cost me $1,000 to reclaim all my data. I got the last 25 years of my life on that and all my fishing. So I just want to give you a heads up. I wanted to wait till I calmed down. And the guy that I got it over to, he's a real good guy. I'm hoping to have some good news from him. And anyways, at the end of the day, this is 2026. And, you know, I'm looking forward to fishing this year. Unfortunately, I can't be... I don't have videos to put up for you until I have some from this year, unless I get my external hard drive back. I had some plans. There's some things that happened along the way the last couple of years. I got some health stuff. I found these couple of great guys from Guelph that actually saved my life. And I really wanted to post that. I want to let you guys know. I want to let you guys know I haven't forgotten about you. If it weren't for you guys being there, I don't know what I'd be doing right now. So, but I had a video for yous. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. So, this is going to be a short video. Stay tuned to Fish On. I have videos coming. I just don't know when I'm going to be able to bring you up to date. And this is now March, 10th, 12th or something. And it's frustrating when you lose 7 terabytes of data. Terabytes. That's a gig is 1,000 terabytes, right? So I have 7 terabytes, 7,000 gigabytes worth of data. That's fishing and my music and stuff. So anyways, I hope you all getting ready for trout season and salmon season and fishing season, and all in common. But stay tuned. I hope I have something special for you in the next little bit. Cheers.
Just want to say this is going to be for season 3. I think this will be my 3rd, maybe 4th video. For season 3. I got season 1 and season 2. There's only 8 episodes for each one. So we'll have 8 episodes for this year, and 8 episodes next year, and 8 episodes and such. And try to put the best of the best, and try to express how I love my rivers, my respect to the fish and fly fishing and the industry period, and the people that have taught me how to fly fish. I used to spinner fish, I worm fish. I love fishing. But anyways, I just want to say thanks for watching, and there's lots more coming at you. And I appreciate y'all liking and hitting subscribe and checking out my videos. Fish On.
Welcome back to Fish On. I'm just going to do a little clip here. And for that one person watching this one video that this one person made for you, please hit the like and subscribe button and get that notification bell ringing. And do me a favor, leave a comment and fish on.